Welcome to LXGUIDE. Today I'm going to give you guys instruction how to change a rear wheel bearing for a 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 Subaru WRX. First, start by removing the rotors and the brakes. Next, use a 32mm axle socket to remove the axle. Next, remove the wheel hub assembly. It's going to be held on by four 14mm long bolts. Next, you will have to remove the drum brake so you can remove the wheel hub assembly. Here is a close-up visual of the four 14mm bolts removed. As you can see, I also removed the axle nut as well. And next, I will remove the drum brake so I can remove the wheel hub assembly. This is the 32mm axle nut that was removed. Thank you for watching and subscribe to LXGUIDE.